맛있는 음식. 맛있는 음식. What does it mean? If you would notice, the word in red letter is 맛있는. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to study about 맛있는. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 288. 맛있는. 맛있는. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is mas, second syllable is eat, third syllable is 는. But it is pronounced as 맛있는. 맛있는. The word 맛있는 is an adjective which means delicious. Again, 맛있는 means delicious. How do we write 맛있는 in Hangul? 맛있는 is composed of three syllables. For the first syllable mat, we need to draw first a mian character followed by an a character followed by a siyot character. For the second syllable it, we need to draw first a placeholder iyang followed by an e character followed by a sangsiyot or double siyot character. For the last syllable 는, we need to draw first a neon character followed by an u character followed by another neon character. And then we just need to combine the hangul for each of these three syllables to form the hangul of the word 맛있는. Now let's try to look into this example English sentence. It says, delicious food. Again, delicious food. The Korean translation of this is 맛있는 음식. Again, 맛있는 음식. This sentence could be divided into two. 맛있는 음식. The first word 맛있는 is our word for today, and as mentioned, it is an adjective which means delicious. The second part of the sentence is 음식, which is the Korean term for food. And when these two are combined, it becomes 맛있는 음식, which means delicious food. If we will compare 맛있는 to 맛있어, 맛있어 is more of a plain expression that the food is delicious. Meanwhile, 맛있는 is an adjective form, and it has to be followed by a noun. So if you want to express that something is delicious, you can simply say 맛있어. But if you wanted to say delicious food, you need to say 맛있는 음식. So, looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of our video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence or the phrase 맛있는 음식 is simply delicious food. And with that, you've just learned 맛있는. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 278 to 287. But don't forget our word for today, word number 288, 맛있는, which means delicious. Word number 287 is 여자친구, which means girlfriend. Next word for our review is word number 286, 남자친구, which means boyfriend. Word number 285 is 가수, which means singer. Word number 284 is 바다, which means ocean or sea. Word number 283 is 생선, which means fish. Word number 282 is 과일, which means fruit. Word number 281 is 돕다, which means to help. Word number 280 is juta, which means to give. Word number 279 is wayuil, which means to stay. And the last for our review is word number 278, namu, which means tree or wood. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.